plushie collection. She's small but cute. Today we're doing the one dip makeup challenge. You basically do your whole makeup, but you only use like one dip of foundation or one dab of powder, and you just see where it takes you. So we're doing that today. So the hair is out the way. I'm actually going out tonight and I do need to do makeup, so let's see if this makeup is good enough to keep on, because I really don't want to redo my makeup today, but we'll see. Starting off with moisturiser. I'm saying that's one dip, but you know, this stuff goes a long way, so actually this isn't too bad. This is all I would use really anyway. I start with some concealer on my eyes. I'm gonna do it on my finger and then I can like spread it to both eyes. I'm gonna spread it to both. Oh, significantly less on that eye. I'm just gonna use my finger. Wow, it doesn't look like I've got a thing on my eyelids. You know what, this is probably gonna be like a no makeup look. Then I do powder over it to set it. So this is gonna be tricksy. Do I get like a lot on the brush? Like, do I go like that or do I dip? I guess I dip, don't I? So, oh, I don't like that. Okay, hopefully there is excess on the brush from last time. I guess that's that done. Eyeshadow. So I just dip into my bronzer for my eyeshadow. So I use the Hoola bronzer, so I guess I'm just gonna dip once. That's sad. Round, because I don't want one to be more than the other. Again, I'm hoping that there's more on the brush from last time. You know what I'm gonna struggle with next? Eyeliner. I think, just because there's two eyes, one line, one line. I'm pretty good with eyeliner, but doing one swoop and getting it all done without lifting, that's a bit tricksy, so I brought the mirror close. I guess that's it. It's not bad, but it is just a line. There's no definition to it. Gotta get the other side to match. This is how we're looking. It doesn't look good. Mascara, just use the one once for one eye, once for the other eye. Trying to get all the lashes in. And the other eye. And I haven't re-dipped either. There's nothing there. Maybe I should have used a stronger mascara, I don't know. That's the eyes done. We're gonna move on to the face. I do foundation with a beauty blender, but I think I'm gonna do the trend of trying to do it with your fingers, purely because there's gonna be so little product that I feel like a beauty blender is just gonna suck it all up. One pump on the back of my hands, and then I'm just gonna rub it in, and I'm gonna feel so disgusting, but there we go. I use two foundations. I use a light one and a dark one. Technically they're different products, so I think, do I do a pump of both? No we don't. No we don't. We're just doing the light one. Wait, do I do one dip and then it's the face? I think it's just one dip, so I've just put my finger in once and I can't really go again. Oh my god, this is so weird. Doing it with my fingers, ew. Oh my god, I hate this. This is my skin. You can see everything still, like. That's not good. I think I'm gonna keep using Din and I'm gonna do concealer. That on my hand, and then I'll dab it round. And then trying to get everything covered. This eye got way more than the other. I hate everything about this. This looks awful. I do bronzer right next, which is a stick, and I don't know how I'm gonna do it, so I think I'm not, because I've got powder bronzer, which will be a bit easier to do because it's a brush. So brush, I'm just hoping there's a lot of product on the brush already, and then we're going to take the powder, dip once, and let's go. I tell you, this is the quickest I've ever done my makeup. Other than the hefty bags into my eyes, like, the powder is done quite the job. Next is blush. Bronzer. Okay. Oh, I got loads on the other cheek. No, I got tons on this side. Oh, that's so annoying. You gotta work like so fast. Now we go to highlighter. Let's do swoop, swoop, and then blend. I do a bit on my nose, my cupid bow, there, under the eyebrows and inner corners. But I don't think any of that got any of it. With the highlighter, I feel like I got quite glowy. Like, this looks like such a natural look. You know what? If it didn't have the stupid eyeliner, I wouldn't feel too bad right now. I really wouldn't. Brows. It is this brush. And so, I don't know how I'm going to do both. And I'm going to just try and cover both of whatever product is on the brush. Which isn't, oh, it isn't too bad. I would have done more, but that's fine. And then we've got lips. So let's get any excess product off of my lips. This is kind of running out, but we'll try it. So I guess just, I took it out. Whatever's on the brush. It doesn't look too bad. Oh, the eyeliner just ruins this, you know? Okay, spray of setting spray and then we're done. I definitely got stuff on my face. I definitely look like I do. Round one spray. I feel like that was nothing. I go ham on the setting spray. Okay, and overall thoughts. Let's look at this makeup. It's the fastest I've ever done my makeup, that is for sure. I don't like it. So what I've taken from this is doing foundation with your fingers. If you have really dry skin, just shows every dry part. Even though I moisturized before, like, you can see everything. The eyeliner kind of looks better on this eye, but this eye is like way worse because there's like a massive gap. Mascara looks like there's nothing on there. Highlighter doesn't look too bad, I have to say. Blush, there's nothing there. Bronzer, there's a bit there. That's not too bad. Lips look good. Eyeshadow looks good. Brows could have done away a little bit more, but it's not bad. This is the look. But if I didn't have the eyeliner, I feel like I would totally actually just go out like this. Like, it doesn't look great, but like, I don't care. Yeah, it's not good, but it was fun challenge to try. I'm not gonna go take off my makeup and redo it because I am not going out like this tonight. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. I post every single day, so subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss that. I post like a YouTube short every single day and then a full video like this every single Sunday at 12 PM GMT. All my social media links are in the description box below, so you can go check me out on any of those. Again, post every single day, so if you're not following and subscribing, you're missing out on a lot of content. I can't lie. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye!